Amazon verifies payment methods, like credit or debit cards, bank accounts, to prevent fraud and ensure secure transactions, typically via a small temporary charge, 1 cent to $1, or OTP. This is required for new additions or suspicious activity. The process takes 1 to 5 minutes via Amazon.com or the app. Charges refund automatically in 3 to 7 days. Log into Amazon, open Amazon.com or the app. Sign in with your email or phone and password. Access payments. Hover over Accountant Lists. Top right, Your account, Your payments, under Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Add or select method. Click Add a payment method. Enter card details. Number, expiry, name, billing address. For bank accounts, ACH. Select Add a bank account and provide routing and account numbers. Initiate verification. Submit details. Amazon places a temp auth hold or sends an OTP via SMS email. Check your bank credit statement or email for a code. Inventory code. Return to your payments. Select the method and verify, or enter the charge amount code from your statement. Confirm. Verification completes instantly. Confirm status. The method shows as verified. Test with a small order if needed.